So today we've got a BMW F12 6 Series instrument panel here. The issue the customer is saying is that the LCD panel in the middle doesn't work, so I'll just show you that. So if you look at, we'll just let it power up a bit. Okay, so as you can see, the LCD over here is not working. These two gauges here are actually analog. They look digital when the cluster is working fully, but they're not. They're actually analog. So what we're going to do is we're going to send this to the repair engineers and do whatever they need to do. We're going to show you a video of that anyway. And then once it comes back to us, I'll show you how it looks once it's all been repaired. Hi, so the cluster is back from the engineers. We're just going to switch it on now. So as you can see, the LCD is working again. So on this one, as you've seen in the repair video, the LCD runs all the way across. Obviously these are still analog, so obviously they're going to work before and after. But yeah, it's all working perfectly. If you have any of these clusters or anything like this type of cluster, you can send it in to us. We can have a look at it for you. If it's not on our website, you could just call us up and just ask us a question and we'll tell you whether we could do it or not. So yeah, there you go. Thank you.